Welcome to the Info World Galaxy. Nickname of all the teams which are included in the FIFA World Cup 2022. Tunisia. The nickname of Team Tunisia is Les Aigles de Carthage. Uruguay. The nickname of Team Uruguay is Cheras. USA. The nickname of Team USA is the Stars and Stripes. Wales. The nickname of Team Wales is the Dragons. Serbia. The nickname of Team Serbia is Plavi. South Korea. The nickname of Team South Korea is the Aiguk Warriors. Spain. The nickname of Team Spain is La Furia Roja. Switzerland. Nickname of Switzerland team is Quasar Nati. Portugal. Nickname of Team Portugal is Silicao das Quenas. Saudi Arabia. Nickname of Team Saudi Arabia is Sogour Al-Akhdar. Qatar. The nickname of Team Qatar is Ennabi. Senegal. The nickname of Team Senegal is Les Lions de la Teranga. Mexico. Nickname of Mexico team is Alteri. Morocco. Nickname of Team Morocco is Atlas Lions. Netherlands. Nickname of Team Netherlands is Orange. Poland. Nickname of Team Poland is Bialo-Czerwoni. Germany. Nickname of Team Germany is Dynamite. Ghana. Nickname of Team Ghana is the Black Stars. Iran. Nickname of Team Iran is Team Melli. Denmark. Nickname of Team Denmark is Danish Dynamite. Cameroon. Nickname of Team Cameroon is Lions Indomitables. Argentina. The nickname of Team Argentina is La Albiceleste. Japan. Nickname of Team Japan is Samurai Blues. Ecuador. Nickname of Team Ecuador is Lottery. Canada. The nickname of Team Canada is the Canucks. Australia. The nickname of Team Australia is the Socceroos. England. The nickname of Team England is the Three Lions. Costa Rica. Nickname of Team Costa Rica is Los Ticos. Belgium. Nickname of Team Belgium is Les Diables Rouges. France. Nickname of Team France is Les Blues. Croatia. Nickname of Team Croatia is Vaterni. Brazil. Nickname of Team Brazil is Canarinho. Thank you for watching.